Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Hey Harvey. All right, so we got another Jon Bravo Films video. So the title. So apparently Wes Watson was arrested. He made a video on this yesterday, and now there's a video he just made, just uploaded it not too long ago. The title is "Breaking Wes Watson in Court Live and Tried to Flap His Mouth at the judge." At the judge. Oh my god. So I don't know a whole lot about Wes Watson. He looked like one of those. He looked like one of those just like gym influencer, motivational speaker, guru, you know, slime ball, scumbag, con artist. And apparently he had like a second chance at being a normal like being a citizen again, like a normal functioning member of society, and started doing that, and then became super famous, got super rich, and now is turned into this. Which it's like, dude, like I don't understand this whole tough guy persona outside in the real world, dude. Most people don't act like that. And it's like, I'm not going to go up and threaten someone with violence, like out of nowhere for no reason, or if someone came up to me and just wanted to talk to me or something like that in public, dude. You're in public, like you're not in your home. You're in public, dude. When you go into public, you are exposed to whoever and whatever phones out there, whatever. Like that's. And if you don't like it, don't live in America. I mean, and stop making internet videos. Stop making YouTube videos, internet videos. So, huge shout out to the supporters as always. And Jon Bravo is becoming one of my favorite people to listen to because, first off, I want to be jacked like that. Second off, I think he's just hilarious. So, all right, enough from me. Let's get it.
Police don't engage because if you get arrested for anything else, you'll be locked up in jail until your trial.
Okay, I just want to, just real quick.
Mr. Watson, please don't make any...
Wes Watson, the piece of shit. He was in court this morning to try to beg and plead to the judge like a little bitch for bail after his arrest last night in Miami from the fight that we all know it happened. Elevation Fitness with the 7-foot monster, right? And this court hearing just happened a few moments.
Oh, I saw that fight. It was brutal. Because, like, they all went in on him. And they used some dumbbells, and it was...
To go, and I'm going to show it to you here in full. Now, let me explain the process really quick for people that don't know. When you get arrested, you get taken in to county jail. They book you.
Oh, no! Oh... So why I'm laughing is he tells everybody he's 6 foot. He's 5'8". Oh my gosh, I'm weak. Like, why lie about stuff like that?
They process you. You wait all night like an asshole. They switch cells every hour so you can't sleep. And you're tired as hell the next day. Don't ask me how I know this, okay? And the next morning you wait to see the judge to see if they're going to give you bail. So this is not a trial. This is just a request for bail. Now notice something. When you're watching this, they fuck up everywhere. They don't even see the guy has a prior, okay? But again, this is not a trial. This is just him begging and pleading with his bitch lawyer to try to get a bail for it. But look at their fuck-ups, number one. And number two, the asshole couldn't keep his mouth shut like I was saying earlier. He tried to open his mouth. And we know what kind of trouble he gets himself in when he does open it. So let's watch this together.
Present. Good morning, sir. Counsel, can you announce for the record, please?
Of course. Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Gottlieb on behalf of Mr. Watson.
Good morning.
Ooh, he's got a good lawyer. Look at that, dude. Look at that. That's solid. Solid. Oh, he's spending money.
Do you have any Have you had a chance to review the arrest affidavit?
I have not seen the affidavit, Your Honor. However, I am familiar with the facts and circumstances of the case. This was a fight that happened at Mr. Watson's gym where an individual challenged Mr. Watson to a fight, came into the gym, placed a recording device believed to be a cell phone down to watch him fight Mr. Watson. I believe Mr. Watson has numerous defenses, including stand your ground, self-defense, and consent to this charge. I understand the state's theory. However, this individual came to Mr. Watson for the specific purpose of challenging him in a street fight. And then
here it says the CCTV shows the victim set up his phone to start recording the interaction between him and the defendant. And it says the victim pushed the defendant.
correct.
State.
I'm reading it, Your Honor.
He struck the victim several times at the weightlifting belt. And then other people join in, striking and kicking the victim.
Oh boy, if she watches that video, ooh. I mean, I watched it where it was somewhat edited, and it's brutal. It's brutal. Like, yeah, like, and the video, he's not wrong. The dude approached him. Like, the 7 foot tall dude was definitely the one who approached. Like, yeah, he started it for sure. But he went way above and beyond, and then he got jumped.
Your Honor, I don't see any local or out-of-county priors here. I would defer to the court and just simply ask for the stay-away order.
The victim suffered a face fracture, concussion, and 2 black eyes, but it looks like you have a very valid legal argument, Mr. Gottlieb.
Thank you, Your Honor. I would ask for an ROR.
Well, your order to stay away from the alleged victim, no contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties, and you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim's home, school, and place of employment at all times. Do you understand the statement, sir?
Yeah.
All right. So I understand he went to the gym. He punched him, and then he used the weight belt.
Correct.
So it aggravated. There's probable cause for, I guess, the felony. You want me to split them both, 2,500 each? I'm not giving an ROR.
I understand, Judge. 5,000 is acceptable. Thank you.
$2,500 bond count 1, $2,500 bond count 2. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too. Mr. Watson, I'll take care of that. Thank you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, could you repeat the bonds?
$2,500 count 1, $2,500 count 2 for the stay away order. If he comes to your gym, call the police. Don't engage, because if you get arrested for anything else, you'll be locked up in jail until your trial.
Okay, I just want to, just real quick.
Mr. Watson, please don't make...
You keep your mouth shut, dude. Are you kidding? See, you know what? I'm going to say something, and it's just... That's white privilege right there. This dude's been in the system, and he still doesn't know how to act. That's privilege. That's white privilege. She just told you, hey, the next time he shows up, call the cops. And he's can I say something? Oh, no. You shouldn't have a bail. You have priors. Oh my God. Or your bail should be, your bail should be 20 grand at least.
Make any statements. You and I can talk about it. Thank you, sir.
Sorry about that.
No problem. No problem. I'll make sure your bond is arranged. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
He's like, hurry up. Sign the paperwork. We just got away with one.
John, which one do you want to call first? This one or that one? Or this one? I'm sorry. Edward Philippe is next. Page 8.
In this situation, Wes has nobody to blame but himself. He needs to look at himself in the mirror and say, listen, I challenged all these people to come and fight me because I got a big mouth, I got an ego, and I don't shut the fuck up. So he challenged people to come fight him, and look what happens now. He has no one to blame but himself. And the issue...
Oh, yeah, you think... and you don't what? You don't think that the prosecutor has all this evidence?
Like I said earlier, he challenged people, them thinking it's a one-on-one. They go, and it's not a one-on-one. It's weapons. It's his goon little fuckers next to him, all beating down this guy brutally. Then after he's done, he beats him again, almost killing the guy. So there's no one to blame but himself. And like I said in the last video, this asshole had a chance. How many people go to prison 7 years, come out, blow up on social media by trying to give people an incredible story about a comeback, inspiring people to do something for themselves when they go to prison, right? And then you have that chance to inspire all those people. And what do? You get rich, you get famous, it goes to your fucking head and makes you a bigger asshole than you ever were. And this is what happens. You're facing a legal issue again, where you could end up in prison, getting pegged again. We know how much you like it, but did you really want to go back to get some more? You were driving around in Bugattis, Lamborghinis. You had all these hot sharmuta Latina women around you. And now, like I said, you ain't got nobody to blame but yourself. Instead of giving people an incredible comeback story that not many people have, you're giving them this story. Guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like on my video.
All right, you made it this far. I appreciate you. We're gonna follow this a little bit. We're gonna do some more of these Jon Bravo videos. He's very entertaining. We'll see you on the next one.